Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the triple crochet, also known as the treble crochet. It is one of the basic crochet stitches, but it is a little taller than the double crochet. So to get started in the row, I'm going to chain 3, and they are not going to count as a stitch. So I'm going to work my very first triple crochet into this stitch right here. So I'm going to wrap the yarn over twice, and then I'm going to insert my hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through, and we got 4 loops on the hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, got 3 loops left, wrap the yarn over and pull through 2 loops again, got 2 loops left. One more time, wrap the yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So once again, I'm going to wrap the yarn over 2 times. I'm going to go into the next stitch here, wrap the yarn over and pull through, 4 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'm going to do that 3 times.